Hi guys, in this video we will be discussing the sum of probability and then getting the mean, variance, and standard deviation of a discrete probability distribution table. So given the discrete probability distribution table, let us compute for the following. So here is our example. A discrete variable x has the following distribution. So ito yung ating given table. We have the x column and then the probability of x. And then we have to compute this probability. Okay, so the first item or the first question is compute for the probability of x is equal to 2. Kapag ka-equals, guys, hahanapin nyo lang yung probability ng mismong binigay na x value. So, dito, binigay niya yung 2 na x. Ano daw yung probability nun? So, ito yung magiging sagot natin. So, the answer in this question or item is equal to 0.42 or 42%. Okay? Now, let us have the probability of x is equal to 0. So, kung yung x daw ay is equal to 0, ano daw yung probability niya? So, ito yun. So, we have 0.01. Okay. So, what if we have an inequality symbol which is greater than? So, pwede tayong magkaroon dyan ng greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, tsaka less than or equal to. So, yan yung mga inequality symbol na pwedeng lumabas sa sum of probability. Okay? So, itong number 3, what is the probability of x is greater than 4? So, ano daw yung probability kapag yung x ay mas malaki sa 4? So, wala tong equal sign sa dulo. Kaya ang ibig sabihin yan, guys, ang kukunin nyo lang, since greater than 4, ito lang yung mga numbers na greater than 4. 5 and 6. So, hindi siya kasali. Okay? Kasi walang equal to. So, kapag may equal to, kasama yung pinaka-number na yun, pero pag wala, yung mas mataas doon kapag ka greater than. Pag less than, yung mas maliit. Okay, so in this case, greater than siya. So we have 5 and 6 kasi 5 and 6 are the numbers that are greater than 4. And then, what will you do to the probabilities? You will add. So, i-add nyo siya. So, we will have 0.08 plus 0.07. Add nyo yung dalawang yon and then you get this decimal. So, 0.15. Yun yung magiging sagot natin dito. So, ang in-add natin, 0.08 plus 0.07 which is equal to 0.15. So, ito yung ating final answer. Ayan. Okay? Pag equal, guys, madali. Kung ano yung katapat niyang number, that's it. Okay? Let's have naman yung x is greater than or equal to 4. So, unlike nun sa number 3, meron siyang symbol na equal sa ilalim. So, kapag may kasamang symbol na equal, isasama nyo yung pinaka-number na yun. So, kasama na si 4. And then, greater than sa kanya is 5 and then 6. Okay? So, ito yung equal. Ito yung mga greater than. Kaya pag pinagsama nyo siya, greater than or equal to. So, ang i-add natin is ito, tsaka ito. Okay? So, add natin sila. We will have 0.11 plus 0.08 plus 0.07. So, the answer is 0.26. So, ang sagot natin dito is 0.26. Okay? Let's have naman, the probability of x is less than or equal to 3. So, less than or equal to 3, ibig sabihin, yung mga numbers na mas maliit sa 3 o hindi kaya naman 3. So, since may equal sign sa ilalim, isasama nyo yung 3. Ito yung mga i-add nyong probability. So, sila. Itong mga to, yung mga kasama sa probabilities na x is less than or equal to 3. Pag sinabi natin less than, mas maliit. And since may equal sign tayo, kasama mismo si 3. Okay, so add natin yan. So we will have 0.01 plus 0.21 plus 0.42 plus 0.1. So equal. So the answer is 0.74. So ang sagot natin dito, guys, is 0.74. Okay, let's have the sixth example. So what is the probability of x is less than 2? So, less than 2 lang, walang equal sa ilalim. So, ibig sabihin, ang isasama lang natin dyan is yung 0 and 1. So, pag sinabi natin less than, mas maliit. So, 0 and 1 lang. Since walang equal doon, hindi kasama yung 2. So, ang i-add lang natin are these two probabilities. So, i-add natin si 0.01 plus 0.21. So, ang sagot is 0.22. Okay? So, ang sagot dito, 0.22. Okay, let's have probability of x is equal to 5. So, pag equals yan, wala namang iba. Ito lang yung 5. So, the answer would be 0.08. So, 0.08. And then the last one would be the probability of x is greater than 5. So wala tayong equal dito, meaning hindi kasali si 5. So ang meron lang tayo dito is 6. So ibig sabihin wala na tayong i-add kasi siya lang yung x dito na given na greater than 5. Okay, so the answer is 0.07. So yan na yung ating final answer. Hindi kasama si 5 guys kasi wala tayong sign na equal sa ilalim. So x is greater than 5 and ang given dito na greater than 5 is only 6. So ibig sabihin ang sagot na is 0.07. Wala na tayong i-add dyan. Okay? Now let us have the mean, the variance, and then the standard deviation of a discrete random probability table. So, a discrete variable x has the following distribution. Actually, same lang to nung first table natin. But this time, we will compute the mean, or yung symbol ng mean is mu. So, the mean of x, the variance of x, and then the standard deviation of x. Pag nagko-compute kayo ng mean, ng variance, saka ng SD, ang gawin nyo guys, create kayo ng panibagong table, ng panibagong column right after yung p of x. So, dagdagan nyo to ng x times p of x. Ayan. At saka ng x minus mean squared times p of x. Okay, mamaya malalaman nyo kung para saan yan. Pero, very important tong dalawang to. Lalo na kung maraming values yung table, mas maganda na mag-add kayo ng dalawang yan para mamaya sa sum na lang tayo. Mas madali, guys, kapag ganyan. Okay? So, ang formula kasi ng mean or ng mu, so mu is equal to the summation of x times p of x. So, ibig sabihin, yung x na to, multiplied by the p of x. So, ibig sabihin summation, ibig sabihin, i-add lahat nung product ng x at saka ng p of x. So, kuhain muna natin yung mean. By doing that, i-multiply nyo yung column ng x at saka ng p of x. Okay? So, multiply lang natin isa-isa. So, sila yung magkaka-partner. Ayan, sila-sila. Okay, so 0 times 0.01, actually, that is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. And then, ito naman, 1 times 0.21. Syempre, that is 0.21. Okay, and then 2 times 0.42. Yan, times na natin yan. So, the answer is 0.84. And then, next one would be 3 times 0.1. So, 3 times 0.1. So, the answer is 0.3. Dito yung pang-apat natin. Next one is 4 times 0.11. So, 4 times 0.11, that is 0.44. And then, 5 times 0.8. So, 5 times 0.8. Sorry. 5 times 0.08 pala, not 0.8. So, 0.08, 0.4. And then, the last one is 6 multiplied by 0.07. Ayan. So, 0.42. Pagka na-multiply nyo na lahat, you will add. So, yung summation yan, guys, pag in-add nyo itong lahat ng to, yung column ng x multiplied by the p of x, that would be the mean. Yun na kagad yung sagot dito sa mean. So, i-add lang natin yan. You will have, so, 0 plus 0.21 plus 0.84 plus 0.3 plus 0.44 plus 0.4 plus 0.42. Ayan. So, pag equals nyo, that would be the mean, and the answer is 2.61. Ayan na, may sagot na tayo sa mean. So, the mean of x is, or the expected value. Ang tawag dito guys, mean, or tinatawag din siyang expected value. So, siya yung may pinakamaraming value na x. Si 2.61. Ibig sabihin guys, nandito siya, in between 2 and 3, kasi 2.61. So, nandun nagko-concentrate yung probability nitong discrete variable ng x na to. Okay? So, let us have variance. So, ang variance, guys, kukunin nyo sa column na to. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo, i-input nyo lang yung x minus mean. So, i-calculate nyo na siya kagad. So, ang nakuha natin na mean is 2.61. Kaya pag mali dito, guys, ang tendency, magkakamali na pati variance at saka SD. So, be careful in computing the mean kasi gagamitin nyo yan dito sa column na to in getting the variance and the standard deviation. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, so nakuha na natin yung mean and the mean is 2.61. Ayan. So, i-compute natin yung kada isang value dito sa table na to. So, uunahin nyo muna yung x. So, ito muna yung gagamitin natin. Ito, tsaka ito. Okay? So, I will have yung x na 0. So, ilagay nyo sa parenthesis. So, yung unang x na 0 minus, okay, yung nakuha na mean, which is 2.61. And then, close parenthesis. Lagyan nyo na squared. And then, multiply ko yan dito sa my p of x na to. Okay? So, i-multiply ko yan dyan sa probability of x na 0.01. And then, equals nyo. Pagka-equals, isulat nyo lang dito. So, kunin na lang natin yung 2 digits. So, we will have 0.07. So, 0.07. Okay? Kunin na lang natin yung second decimal. So, dun tayo sa hundredths place. Okay? So, i-round off nyo siya. Since 8 yung kasunod nito, so, magiging 7 na siya. Okay? So, next one, yung pangalawa naman natin, gagamitin ito, tsaka ito. Okay? So, I will have yung x na 1 minus, so yung mean ulit, gagahin nyo itong format na to guys. Okay? So, x na yon ito, minus yung mean na to, na 2.61, and then, enclose nyo sa parenthesis, squared, times, itong p of x na to, or probability of x, so 0.21. Yun yung pangalawa. So, the answer is 0.54. Okay? And then, the next one would be, so, parenthesis, dito na tayo sa 2, tsaka 0.42. So, 2 minus, okay, so yung mean ulit na 2.61 squared times yung probability niya na 0.42. Ayan, that's equals nyo. So, the answer is 0.16. And then, dire-diretso na yan, guys. Okay? So, diretso ko na yan, ha? Hindi ko na lagay. 3 minus 2.61 squared times, so 0.1, yung kanyang probability, is 3. Okay, so 0.02 na to guys. So 0.02. Okay, so next one, ito na lang papalitan ko. So gawin ko tong 4, nasa 4th x na tayo ito. Nasa 4 na tayo na x, and then ang kanyang probability ay, so same yung mean, 2.61, di ko na babaguhin yan. So yung mean niya is 0.11. So pag equals nyo, ayan, 0.21. So 0.21. And then, yung sunod naman is yung 5. Okay, and then gagawin ko naman yung probability niya na 0.08. So yung mean niya, same pa rin sa kanina. So 0.46. 0.46. And then the last one is, so ito, 6 na to. And then, ito ay, yung probability is, nung 6 ay 0.07. And then, same yung mean na 2.61. Okay, pag equals, ayan, 0.80. Okay, so ang gagawin nyo guys, to get the variance, so variance of x, actually is equal to the summation of x minus mean squared multiplied by the probability of x. So, ibig sabihin, sum naman nitong column na to. Kung kanina, ito, yung x times p of x natin, ang makukuha nyo dyan, pag sinum nyo yung product nila, that is mean. So, ito naman, kapag kasinum nyo yung product ng x minus mean quantity squared multiplied by the probability of x, ang makukuha nyo naman is the variance of x. So, i-add ko lang din to, parang ginawa natin kanina dito sa column na to. So, add ko 0.07 plus 0.54 plus 0.16 plus 0.02 plus 0.21 plus 0.46 plus 0.80. So, the answer is 2.26. So, ang ating variance of x is 2.26. Ayan. And then, to get the standard deviation, ang standard deviation of x, guys, ang gagawin nyo lang, i-square root nyo lang yung variance. So, kung ano mang nakuha yung variance, square root nyo yun, that would be your standard deviation. So, ang standard deviation dito, square root ko lang yung 2.26 na nakuha natin na variance. And then, you press equals, ayan. So, the answer is 1.50. So, the standard deviation is 1.50. So, that is how you get the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation of a discrete random mean variable distribution.